The first three bubbles in 113 show us why while loops are important to help us shorten code that repeats. So bubble 1 tells us to make our turtle move forward 20 pixels and then turn right 20 pixels. The name of our turtle is Painter. So for this code, we will say Painter dot forward 20 and then Painter dot right 20. When we run this code, we'll get the little line. Step 2 has us do this 6 times. So I could type it out 6 times, but I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm just going to copy this and come down here and add 5 more. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add in my spaces. And when I run this, I will get what's beginning to look like a circle. Step 3 has me go and add in the code to complete that circle. So I'm turning 20 degrees every cycle. A circle is 360 degrees. So if I did 360 divided by 20, I would get 18. So I need to copy this code and paste it 18 times. So I'll just go ahead and grab this code really quick. I have 6 already. I'll go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And by now you can see that this is looking a little ridiculous. So let me stop and let me run it one last time, complete my circle. Now programmers don't do this. Programmers don't like repeating code over and over again. Instead, they use a fundamental part of programming, which is iteration, or just repeats. So we're going to use a while loop for this. So I'm going to just delete a good part of my code and leave just this. So I want to copy this code 18 times. The way this looks is I say while counter is less than 18, do this. Now, in this code, I said while counter is less than 18. I don't have a counter yet, so I need to add that in. So I'm going to go ahead and come up here and say counter equals 0. And every time I go in this while loop, my counter is going to increase so that it comes out 18 times. There is a problem right now though. As it stands right now, this code will run forever. We will call this an infinite loop. I don't want that. I need to make sure that counter is increasing every time I run the loop. So after this, I will say counter equals counter plus 1. Now, I'm going to point out just 2 more quick things before I run this code. You'll notice that before these, I'm indenting my code. Any code that is indented is inside the while loop. The next line of code, if I come down here and say print hello, this is now outside of the while loop, meaning it will only run once. So I'm going to run this twice, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So the first thing I'm going to do is run this code. You can see that it gives me the circle, and it prints hello 1 time, because hello is outside of the while loop. But if I come here and put hello inside the while loop, it will print hello 18 times.